In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 ways to build wealth over time. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Building wealth is typically a lengthy process. Although many people find the prospect of becoming millionaires overnight enticing, the only true ways to get wealthy overnight are through speculation, an inheritance, or a lottery win. Strangely, planning a wise course toward long-term benefits is the best method to quick generate riches. The fundamental secret to accumulating wealth is compound interest, which happens when money is saved and invested quickly. Number 10. Don't be too conservative. Being overly speculative is a certain way to put all of your hard-earned funds at danger, but being overly conservative can also have a negative impact on your wealth. If you want to create enormous amounts of wealth, you must be willing to take some risks in your financial life, such as making more aggressive investments or starting your own business. For instance, after accounting for taxes and inflation, investing all of your money in treasury notes will result in a negative real return. Owning stocks, real estate, your own business, or even some cryptocurrencies might increase your exposure to investments with higher potential returns. Just be aware that while speculation can contribute to wealth creation, it also carries significant risk. Number 9. Live within your means. Spending more than you make will prevent you from ever creating any wealth. It's crucial to establish and adhere to a rigorous budget if you want to position yourself for a lifetime of prosperity. Make sure you have a sizable line item for saving and investing in addition to all of your unavoidable costs. You increase your lifetime fortune by staying inside your monthly spending limit. Although it might be difficult, living within your means is crucial to long-term wealth accumulation. You may live a financially secure life and amass long-term wealth by putting important costs first, staying out of debt, and setting aside money for emergencies and long-term aspirations. Number 8. Set up multiple streams of income. Even if you save a considerable amount of your salary, it's difficult to amass significant wealth on a single salary. Create several revenue streams to quickly increase your wealth. For instance, in addition to your day work, start a side business that fits your skills and interests. Try to find more clients in a variety of various industries if you are a freelancer. This will not only increase your income but also serve as a safety net in case one of your income sources is lost during economic downturns. A wonderful method to gradually accumulate wealth is to set up various lines of income. It can be dangerous and have a negative impact on your earning potential to depend solely on one source of money, such as a full-time employment. A side business can be a fantastic way to supplement your income while maintaining your full-time position. You can launch a side business, work as a freelancer, or market goods online. Through rental income and future property value growth, investing in rental properties can generate passive income. Purchasing dividend-paying stocks or mutual funds can generate a consistent flow of passive income. You might be able to make money from your interest or talent, such as music or photography, by selling goods or services. You may boost your earning capacity and accumulate money over time by establishing various streams of income. Number 7. Broaden your education and skill set. Make yourself as valuable as you can if you're going to spend the most of your life working for others if you want to make the maximum money. Some of the finest methods to show your value as an employee are to educate yourself widely and to build a diversified skill set. To offer yourself the best chance to quickly increase your wealth, concentrate on specialized skill sets that are in high demand, such as those in the lucrative finance and technology sectors. Number 6. Start a business. The majority of the world's billionaires either inherited their wealth, which is less of a strategy and more of a matter of pure luck, or they founded their own companies. One of the most likely routes to generating a lot of riches is by founding and expanding a prosperous business. Entrepreneurship is undoubtedly a risky endeavor because so many new businesses fail within their first few years. But this high-risk, high-reward path can lead to a lifetime of wealth if you can develop a strong business plan, secure the necessary money, and hire the right people. Number 5. Keep asking for raises. The expense of living increases almost yearly, and your experience and value to your employer do as well. As a result, you shouldn't be hesitant to request raises on a regular basis in order to both stay up with inflation's costs and get paid what you're worth. This doesn't mean you should bug your boss about getting paid more all the time, but you can also argue when it makes sense that your income should represent your value. Don't skip this opportunity to increase your money because those who don't ask for raises frequently don't get them. Number 4. Buy a rental property. Creating a passive income stream is one of the most important strategies to quickly and permanently increase your wealth. And owning a rental property, or multiple, is one of the finest methods to make passive income. You can earn a reliable revenue stream each month from a rental property that is well managed with minimal additional work on your side. Your revenue will virtually run on autopilot, albeit you will need to find tenants to move in and handle sporadic maintenance issues. In contrast to your mortgage payment, your rentals will increase over time, so as your properties increase in value, your renters will gradually pay more and more of your mortgage. Number 3. Buy dividend-paying stocks. Although investing in dividend-paying stocks may appear like a tedious and monotonous way to accumulate money, they are actually one of the finest ways to acquire access to a reliable and expanding source of income as well as capital gains. Large, well-known S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 index businesses like Coca-Cola and McDonald's that have increased their dividends for at least 25 years in a row are known as dividend aristocrats. This indicates that investors who purchased these businesses 25 years ago are reaping enormous effective returns on their initial investment. The dividend aristocrats can be a terrific strategy to accumulate wealth when combined with the possibility of capital gains. Number 2. Buy an S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 index fund. Although the S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 index does not ensure gains, it has repeatedly shown that it is a fantastic source of long-term wealth. In fact, the majority of investors are shocked to find that over a rolling 20-year period, the risky stock market has never lost money. Nonetheless, the S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500's long-term average return is higher than 10%. This indicates that over the long term, the S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 index has a very favorable risk-reward profile. Even the Oracle of Omaha himself, famed investor Warren Buffett, has instructed his trustee to maintain 90% of his assets in an S&P wink with tongue sticking out 500 index fund when he goes away. Number 1. Save. Any form of wealth generation strategy requires capital to get started. Make saving as much money as you can a key priority as soon as you start receiving a paycheck. One tactic frequently suggested by consultants is to pay yourself first, which entails putting money in savings as soon as you get a paycheck and even before you pay your debts. Your discretionary spending will need to be reduced as a result of this form of forced savings, but your wealth will increase quickly as a result. If you're persistent and make contributions on a regular basis, even modest payments to a savings or investing account can add up over time. With a 7% annual return, for instance, investing just $50 per month from the age of 25 to the age of 65 might yield almost $100,000 in savings. Make saving a priority and set aside a portion of your salary each month for savings or investments if you want to start saving early. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings or investment account, you can automate your savings. Choosing the appropriate savings or investment instrument for your objectives and risk tolerance is also crucial. A high-yield savings account or certificate of deposit may be suitable for short-term objectives, such as saving for a down payment on a property. Investment in a diverse portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets may be useful for long-term goals, such as retirement. What do you think about our video? Let us know in the comment box below. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you.